Hello guys, it's a snowy day as you see. This car got stuck just front of my building where I live. As you see, he was trying to take off but he got stuck. Unfortunately, I really wanted to go down, push the car, but I felt like, oh my god, I was hesitating. Like maybe I really wish that he could just take off, and he finally was able to take off when he turned the wheels a little bit to the left, because to the left there's less snow, as you see. Yeah, thank God. As you see, the snow that is coming down is thick, and this building front of me uh, getting hit with a lot of snow. It's a morning, but as you see, you can't see the sun. It's just so cloudy, and there's so much winds. You see, it's moving fast, and all the cars are covered with snow, and all the winds that is coming is just carrying a lot of snow, and it's just I mean, it's still snow right now. Yeah, look at that. So I couldn't record the video from inside, so I had to open the top window and climb to record this video. So you can see this road is busy road, but today is just people that could not travel around today. It's empty, so yeah, it's quiet, very quiet. Yeah. Whoops! Oh, I just saw a guy carrying a shovel. Yeah, stay safe out there. Thank you for watching. Till next time.